Hi, I'm Daniel from Scope Facilities. I help property owners and managers avoid common maintenance problems before they turn into costly repairs. In this series, I'll share simple, practical tips to keep your property safe and running smoothly. Your lobby might be costing you business. Clients judge your building in the first 10 seconds. They see glass doors first, smudges, red flag, then floors, stains or dull tiles, looks neglected, dusty corners. That screams poor maintenance. And if the space smells off, trust drops instantly. Scope Facilities keeps your building client ready every day. Drop your maintenance issue below, and we'll explain the solution in the next video. Drop